Welcome to the Ayush YouTube channel, and in this tutorial we are going to paint this simple landscape in gouache. I'm Kamya, an artist, and I'll be taking you through this tutorial today. As paper matters to me, today I'll be using this 180 GSM brown paper sketchbook by Ayush Paper. It's totally made up of recycled paper and comes in different sizes. This can be your perfect travel buddy, and not to forget this cute little one. So I'll start with the sky. I'm using a mix of cerulean blue and white for the sky. I'm using a flat brush to give an even wash for the entire sky part. The details of all the art supplies that I'll be using throughout this video are mentioned in the caption. As I move down, I am adding more white and making it a little whiter. For the slight glow near the horizon, I'm using a mix of white and vermilion hue. By moving my brush back and forth, I am just blending all the three colors together so that my sky looks even. Now I'm starting with the water part. Here again I am using the same mix of white and cerulean blue to cover the entire paper. I am now using cerulean blue to add some distant features near the horizon. For the second layer, I am now using a darker blue, that is Prussian blue. I am now switched to a round brush. These features can be random, it can be mountains, or you can make some distant trees or shrubs here. For the foreground again, I am using the same Prussian blue to cover the entire area in a single wash. I am now making the trees in the foreground. I am using a burnt umber here for making the basic structure of the trees. To make the trees look more natural, you can vary the thickness of the trees and even their shapes. I'm now using the same burnt umbers to add some foliage for the background. This can be again random and you don't have to worry about the details here. Once I have my basic tree structure ready, I'll start with the leaves. For the first layer of the leaves, I'm using a Prussian blue. Now we are working with the foliage, so this is just the first layer. We'll add a lighter layer to it once we have the basic structure ready. Now I'm adding some foliage on the ground. Again I'm using the same Prussian blue. Again, these shapes can be random and you don't have to worry about the details here. I'm now adding the highlights on the leaves using a white gouache. I'm now using a size 6 round brush here. At times I'm also using my fingers just to smudge the color a little so it gives a little natural effect. Adding some highlights on the foliage that is on the ground here. Now I am using a mix of white and yellow ochre to add the highlights on the trees. If you notice, I'm adding the highlights more on the left side of all the trees. This is just to give an impression that the light is coming from the left side. Some final touch-ups with the black color here. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out the amazing tutorials that are coming soon your way. Thank you so much for watching.